The young doctors in training failed to recognize the significance of blood results that now should have triggered the fact that my client had bladder cancer. You want to know why they missed the diagnosis? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. She would go back to the clinic every month or two, and her biggest complaint when she went to the clinic was, when I go to the bathroom and wipe, I see blood in the toilet bowl. So the doctors in training did the right thing, these young residents. They said, okay, let's get you a urine test. Fine. So she has the urine test done, and then they say, come back in a week to get the results. She comes back in a week, and now it's another set of doctors who are now reading and interpreting this result, and they said, everything's fine, don't worry about it. She said, but I still see blood in the toilet bowl when I go to the bathroom. They said, okay, we're going to get you another urine test. So she has the urine test, and what do they tell her? Come back in a week, we'll give you the results. And that's exactly what happened. Now this time, another set of young residents are reading and interpreting this result. And what are they saying? They're saying, everything's fine, don't worry about it. These young doctors in training failed to realize and interpret the results from these urine tests. Why? Because in every one of these urine tests, it showed that she had microscopic amounts of blood in her urine. So why is this such a big deal? It's a big deal because a 65-year-old woman is not supposed to have blood in her urine, not even microscopic blood. And now they should have sent her immediately off to get urological testing, which, if it had been done, would have revealed that she had bladder cancer. And if it had been recognized at an early stage, it would have been entirely treatable. But now, 8, 9, 10 months go by, and nobody's recognizing anything about these abnormal results. And you know what happens? Somebody finally does the right set of tests, finally recognizes that she has bladder cancer, and unfortunately for her, she has advanced metastatic bladder cancer. It started in the bladder and now spread throughout her entire body. And when my urology expert, my board-certified urology expert, looked at these records, he could not believe that these young doctors in training couldn't correctly read and interpret these simple urine tests that clearly showed that there was microscopic amounts of blood in each and every one of these tests. And had anybody bothered to pay attention to it, they would have immediately sent her off to a urologist who would have done the correct testing, which would have revealed that she had bladder cancer, and she could have surgery to fix it and remove it entirely. But instead, she died as a result of her advanced cancer. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an idea of one family I was able to help obtain compensation as a result of improper medical care, of a violation from the basic standards of medical care. And you know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a case, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.